There.
What's the matter, Roy?
I got it.
Use plenty of it.
There. There it goes.
It's not in the middle of it though. It's not. Oh, that was nice.
That was good. Another one, huh?
You could, Roy. Shoot the other one. Put it in the fire.
Yeah.
Come on back.
It's loaded.
You got it's loaded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll do another one.
Oh, it's right there.
I'll leave it in the bag and all. Wait, there's something in the bag.
Yeah, we're gonna go shoot ourselves a propane cylinder again.
Yeah.
Just for the fun of it. Yes, it's gonna be a riot.
You're gonna need more fire in
You
that.
need more fire than that, Roy.
Okay.
You need more fire than that.
No.
Oh yeah.
No.
Don't waste your tank.
Hold on, Roy. Go ahead.
Ooh, look at here under the water. That's pretty darn good. Wow. Yeah, a little bit of kick to that one there.
Some people have seen that across the way.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
There's terrorism.
Somebody's propane tank.